Process flow of PCB manufacturing. Copper-clad laminate. It's the main raw material in PCB manufacturing and also one of the main factors for PCB quality. Material cutting. To cut the CCL into the designed manufacturing size. The radius for CCL corner is needed to avoid the scratch during production. Inner layer coating. To coat the photoreceptive wet film on the surface of the cleaned CCL. The requirement of clean room. 10K degree clean room. Automatic delivering machine. Automatic exposure machine. To transfer the pattern from the film onto the inner layer core material. Laser direct image system with high registration precision of 1.5 mil line width and without film. CCD, automatic exposure machine. Traditional exposure system with film and transfer the pattern from the film onto inner layer core material. DES, developing, etching, and stripping. To etch the unnecessary copper and leave the pattern in need. Inner layer AOI, automated optical inspection. Transfer the image to the machine with optical reflection. Inspect the open short issue by comparing with the original working Gerber. Cutting PP. Cut the pre-peg into the optimal panel size according to inner core material. Riveting. Rivet the inner core materials together with pre-pegs to avoid misregistration in the following production. Layup. Lay up the raw materials into multi-layer stacking. Pressing. Press the boards in high temperature and vacuum conditions. Press the layup boards to multi-layer PCB with heat pressing. Cutting edge. Cut the outlines of the pressed multi-layer boards. Mechanical drilling. Drill the PCB via holes by using mechanical drilling machine. Mitsubishi laser drilling machine. Min via hole 0.076 millimeters. PTH. Plate the copper in holes and to make sure the conducting. Panel plating. Thicken the whole copper and surface copper by plating. VCP. A machine with vertical copper plating system. A better copper plating performance could be achieved with the same manufacturing conditions of the same PCB part number. The workflow keeps almost the same between outer layer and inner layer pattern, while dry film and alkaline etching are used during outer layer pattern and with pattern plating process. Dry film laminating. Outer layer developing. Pattern plating. Outer layer etching. Solder mask. Coat all the circuits and coppers with solder mask ink and for the function of insulation. After the photopolymerization of developing, the solder mask ink remained and solidified. Silk screen. Print the legends on the PCB surface and for the use of identification in the following production. Immersion gold. To form a cladding material with high performance of inoxidizability and solderability. Routing. To route the customized PCB outline with CNC routing machine. E-testing, to inspect the open short issue for finished PCB. Flying probe tester, for the inspection of prototypes and small volume orders. FQC, appearance inspection on PCB boards such as scratch, no solder mask ink, solder mask ink on pad, and so on. Automatic appearance inspection machine. The efficiency will be tripled comparing with human visual inspection. Vacuum packaging. That's all for the PCB manufacturing process. Thank you.